We'll start with the creating a contacts. We'll start with the creating a contacts. How to create a contact? We have to go to here contacts and select the contacts. Okay, it will load the which are the contact we already created. These are the two sample contacts created by the HubSpot itself. Okay, I would like to create a new contact. How can we create a new contact? We can go to a create contact option here on the right hand side. You can see here create contact. Select that one. It will open the contact here. Okay, we'll start give the email address of the contact person, then name of the contact person, then who is the owner of the contact, ourselves, our company itself, and job title, and phone number of the contact person. Okay, then life cycle stage is nothing but what type of the contact here, in the sense he is the subscribed to any of your emails, or is it a new lead, in the sense someone has been referred, something like that, or a marketing qualified lead. Marketing qualified in the from the marketing campaign, have you got some customer, then marketing qualified lead. Sales campaign you have been conducted and you got some customers related to sales activity, then you can mark it as a sales qualified lead. And opportunity is nothing but in future I can talk to him and I can make him as a customer. Or customer is nothing but already he is purchasing something from us, so that he will become a customer, he already purchased or purchasing. And evangelist is nothing but he is already there from the past, then we can say that. And others also we can use, we say customer. And the lead status is nothing but is it a new customer or open customer, or is it in progress, any purchase is going on or deals are going on, any open deal he has been given. Okay, we are attempt to contact him, like that we can give the which type of the customer he is. Then we can create contact by selecting this one, we can create contact, or we can go to a create and add contact, like to add one more contact. This contact will be created and one more contact we can create by here itself. Or we can say create contact. Select create contact, the contact has been created, it will update. Okay, this is the contact we have been created, right? This is how your contact will look like. In the sense, his name, his designation, everything will be here. Okay, his email address. If you like to communicate with him directly through an email, you can click here and you can send a mail. If you like to call this particular contact, if it is connected, your HubSpot is there in a mobile, then you can directly call from here. Okay, like this you can getting a, you can use add a phone number to call. Okay, then logs like which one you would like to do, like long call, log a call, or an email, or a meeting we can schedule. And you can create a task for the particular client, like tomorrow need to be meet, or I would like to discuss something else with him. Okay, like this we can create a task. Okay, and we can create a meeting, schedule a meeting with that particular client also. In your, you can block your calendar if you have any meeting here itself. Okay, then details are here, you can change anytime these details, you can change. Okay, about this particular person detail. Okay, and here activities, so far what are the activities are done with this particular client will be shown here. We created a contact, we have been changed the life cycle. Okay, if you are sent some mail to him, okay, if you say email, Okay, you're sending a mail through the Gmail or office or to a connect with a mail. You can say the contact with the Gmail. Okay, like this you can accept and connect to the Google. You can connect it to the Google. Okay, so that you can mail him directly. Okay, this particular account I would like to connect to the HubSpot, and it will ask, okay, allow. So that your HubSpot will be connected with that particular Gmail account, so that you can directly communicate with the client through a mail. Okay, you can write here to the this particular subject. Okay, subject line here we are already giving a uh, about status, and we'll say like this, some body we will write. Okay, if you like to attach something, okay, you can format here. And if you like to attach some of the documents or image, anything if you like to attach, you can insert here itself. Okay, and you can say send right now or send later you can also send, or send right now. Okay, you have been sent a mail. You can see here it will be updated here. Okay, if you like to forward directly, you can forward from here, or you can reply to the mail again. If he replied again, you can reply. This conversation you can continue here itself. Okay, then if you like to make any special note about this particular client, you can create a note. You can create a note about a particular client. Okay, if you like to check the all the emails, okay, what are the emails you have been done so far, here it will be there. If you like to create a new email, you can create again new email here. What are the calls you have been done, you can check here itself. The task which you have been created, or you can create a task here itself. If you like to schedule a meeting, you can schedule a meeting, and previous meetings will be shown here. You can use this one, or you can use this one to create anything to communicate with that particular client. And what are the communications, the other communication, like any deals you have been done, you have been scheduled a meeting, and you already went and you came to know that okay, he is interested in one particular deal. Directly you can say add deal here. You can create a deal to the particular client. Okay, we learn about creating a deal later. If any issues raised by the particular client, you can add issues here. Okay, tickets are nothing but issues. Deals are nothing but some purchase activity. He is ready to purchase something. If you like to, if you know the his company details, okay, this Karun L company details, you can add here itself company details. Okay, then we can attach any of the attachment if you like to do. Okay, you can upload some of the attachments here. And these are the main activities we can do for a particular customer, okay, particular client. Okay, to manage them very well. Okay, to go back to your all contacts, we have to select here contacts and select contacts. Okay, like this we can load it back all the contacts. If you like to go to his contact, in the sense if you like to know about this particular contact in detail, select this one to go to the contact to manage that particular contact here. Okay, this is the way we can create a contact. We can create a contact, and we can update the contact. What are the things we have, we can update that particular contact. Okay, we can take a contact at any time. In a sense, we can contact that particular person at any stage.